Shmai, Liam Dewey. I'm the interaction designer here at the Centre for Digital Public Services, CDPS. Why is your role important? Okay, so why is being an interaction designer important? Well, interaction design is important because we help people to navigate services. We try and think about the way that somebody's going to go through a service, obviously based on user research. We try and think about, we ideate solutions about the best way and the simplest way for somebody to go through a service or a product, you know, whatever somebody's experiencing. And we try and make that just easy, simple, and accessible for everyone.